morning, guys. I'm here right now at Splash Bros Car Wash. I'm getting my car washed and just have to clean it up because it's such a mess. And then I'm waiting for my friend Kana. She's on her way from Mansilingan and she's riding the jeep because she wants to ride the jeep and experience the whole transportation system here because she really miss it.
But you couldn't lay them out. You kept them all for yourself. Left me in the dark, how could you?
So, where we headed? So, right now we're here in Kana's neighborhood and we visited her family and her friends. Sabi ko makalta, no? Rice, bugas. Wait, anong pasulod ka niyo?
Friends, do you have some picture?
Aga pa nahi ka manggalila.
Ara dyan.
Ah, wow, blazer. Sige. Kamu. Bang. Danke.
What?
Thank you.
No, you don't say thank you. In our country, we say it danke. 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 It means thank you in German. No, I'm from
The cold-blooded people. So.
Naguntat ako ni eskwela ko, no? Naguntat kay eskwela. Uy, ikaw na pa eskwela siya, oh. Barato mo lang, ano. May sabtan mo.
Budlay, actually, tayo no. Kay bisan ako pangamang.
Alaman siya, oh. Alam ka man, di ba, miga?
Yes!
Eh?
Of course.
Tsaga mo ka kaman?
Alam siya kayo.
Para ka, ano da yun?
Okay, nilagaw ko. Oh, basta. Ako, sama ko ba nilagaw sa akon? Speechless. Ay, Bill.
Kung wala ka. Lolo mo, Jen? Wow, grabe. So right now, we're here in Kana's room. Here it is. Sa salog ang natulog? Or sa...
No, sa...
Ako na din sa.
Hard. Di nang gamit mo na daan? Wala na.
Ay, ang kanan ka.
Kagi mo itulog si Edel?
Wala ko kagitulog. Actually, kada-aga ako kapukaw siya. Sa ulo.
Badminton? Di mo na? Ikaw din kagatulog, amigo. Sa din kayo gatulog? Sagwa ka lang kita patulog ni manang mo? Ano pangalan mo, gali?
Tao ka ba, lo?
Sa pangalan mo? It's like a shrine. What? Yeah, I'm sweating. Balhas.
Papa Jesus, Papa Jesus. This is
The baby.
the baby.
Jesus.
Baby Jesus.
Santo Niño.
Santo Niño.
Yeah, in here they're very Catholic, but both of us we're not Catholic.
Yeah, we're Catholic.
Yeah. We're Protestant.
Oh, so you do like it?
Edel, Jared.
Hello.
That's so
Is he your cousin too?
Tito.
At Tito.
Patay na.
Oh.
Pero may kita na, ni Boy Boy yun. So, her family actually is
Really cute. If you notice, the mirror is, you have to, because in here,
oh, it's so...
that's the reason why Kana brought you here, so that you can carry her stuff. Yeah. So you can go home now. I'm just kidding.
You can do like that. Right.
Puncher.
No, that's actually...
No, you can
like
kiss her on
that.
the forehead easily.
No.
Wow.
Forehead is actually airport.
Airport. Hug na, hug na.
Having fun here. Like,
Ano gusto mong koton? Ano gusto mong koton? Wala.
nawiya sa kanya.
Oh, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Yeah, I practically grew up here, so I can understand.
Hindi mo pag-English.
Ay, oh. Sige, may longgo lang po ah. Ano na grade 2? Ano? Grade 9. Second year. High school. Third year. Pero naguntad ako, no?
That's her uncle.
That's her uncle?
We will buy rice here. Rice here and then
We'll buy our rice here for Kana's family. Oh,
do you want to visit our school?
no, it's okay.
Why we're saying because we're crazy?
No, because you're Indian. She's Indian.
I don't know. I really don't know how to speak English, you know. Say hi to Handyman.
Say hi, Julia. Hi. Right now, we're going to the Handyman hypermarket because Kana is gonna buy us some ice cream.
Lego!
Ladies first.
Guys, so makulit ka na.
So right now we just left SM hypermarket and we're on our way to Edel's house.
Panda's house.
It's Panda's house. So right now we're here in Edel's house. A while ago, we met Kana's aunt.
Wait, do it then?
Bas ito? Oh, ano?
Are you scared of... Nakul ba kasi do?
Unad, hindi kagat sa buli. Ada ko na diya.
You want to buy cigarette?
Only one.
Only...
You want to eat this one? This is, what do you call this one in English?
It's kamiyas.
Pickles.
No, it's not pickles.
Yeah, iba is a
It's
pickle.
kamiyas.
Philippine pico.
You want to... Let's share.
It's okay.
Can you split? Just break it.
You bite it like iron. Okay.
Ah!
Good for fish soup.
You like...
Hey guys, that's this ice cream.
Bas, kailangan.
Hi baby. Hello. Ano pangalan niya, no?
Alaysa.
Like, cute siya ba? Ilan na edad?
Walok budan.
Ah, wala po. Dako na siya ba? Wala po.
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Cute ka dyan ba? So, how was your visit? Cool. Park din sa Surya. Kung naman nalula mo, parang titignan ko pa. Oh, saan ba kayo? Hindi yung bata, yeah? So we left Handumanan a while ago, and now right now we're here at Baywalk near SM, and we're gonna go karting. We went here because our friend wanted to see the sunset, because in Austria, it's full of, they're living inland and there's no, and their place they're staying is full of mountains. So it's their first time to see the sunset here in the beach. But sadly, it was very cloudy.
Hey Jared, so what's the feeling of being number one?
My foot hurts.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
So, hey Julia, what's the feeling? How was it?
Yeah.
Kana, how was it?
You when I had the chance back then.